Today we continue with formula, building a formula in Excel. Whenever you are trying to build a formula in Excel and which cell you want to apply that, click on that cell, activate that cell, press equal. Remember, every time you are building any formula in Excel, you have to enter equal. After you had enter equal, then you can carry the other operation. Here we have total credited 85,620, total debited 13,650. Now to find the remaining balance, we need the total debited to be subtracted from the total credited. So how we do it? Come here, equal. After the equal, the rest are just simple mathematics. Click on the cell or enter the cell number in formula bar D2. Next, minus D5 or click inside the cell. Now you are done with your formula. You have built your formula. Let's the Excel do the rest. Press enter and Excel do its job. Next is editing formula. For example, we have a wrong calculation, we have some error in our calculation and we want to edit that formula. How we can do that? Here we have, for example, equal this plus this. Here we see a customer bought 100 units of pencil. Each pencil cost 55 and the total gives 105. The actual value will be 500, but it shows 105. Why? Because our calculation is incorrect. How we edit it? Come to formula bar. So where is the problem? Here we see what we have entered, I8 plus J8. While we have to enter I8 into or multiply by J8. So you come to formula bar, remove that plus sign and enter multiplication sign. We have explained all the sign we use building formulas. Previous video, you can refer to that video and learn there. When you have corrected your formula, just press enter and your calculation is done. How to copy formula? When we want to copy formula, go to that cell, click on that. Now you have keyboard option Control plus C, copy, or you have another option, click on that, copy, and you have also the third option. Come here to the ribbon, clipboard panel and click here, copy. Now wherever you want to paste your formula, click or activate that cell and press Ctrl V to copy it. You can also right click and call it paste. Now here we press Ctrl plus V and our formula is copied. The next item, here we see 150 into 5 equal to 750. Okay, the same you can paste it again and again. Ctrl V again and Ctrl V for all the item. You can copy it and you can paste it. There are other ways also to copy the formula, but we are studying those things later in details. For now, finish the process of copy paste. In the copy command to deactivate, press enter in your keyboard and that's done.